when teaching elementary students music, one of the things they'll need to learn, and a core standard that'll need to have a lesson around, is reading and notating music. And the way they're going to do this is by knowing different musical terms. Terms that include an umbrella term, which is tempo, which is how fast or slow music is, and then words that fall under that umbrella, such as retardando, accelerando, largo, moderato, and presto. So the students would need to know what these words are, how to spell them, or at least get close to spelling, um, what they mean, and that they specifically fall under tempo. Another umbrella word for them to know is dynamics, which is how loud or quiet music is. For this, they would need to know the word, what it means, and the symbol. So, for example, they would need to know that this is forte, and that means loud. And then, if they were to see this portrayed on a piece of music, it would just be F, whereas maybe fortissimo, which is very loud, is two Fs. And then they would need to know words that describe what the dynamics are doing along the way, such as crescendo and decrescendo, which gradually getting louder or getting softer. And then they would need to know the symbols for that because it's not letters. They would need to be able to know that as well. And then that all of those words fall under the umbrella word dynamics. Along with those, they need to know the different note names and how many beats that note is expected to get. So they would just need to know, like, well, this is what a half or a whole note looks like, so it gets 4 beats. This is what a half note looks like, and it gets half of that, which is 2 beats. Um, Moving on from that, they'll also need to know note names, not only for treble clef, but for bass clef. They'll also need to understand that though the placements are different for each clef, the same notes are still included. So it's still A through G and then just back to A for each one.